Hey, it's Ike with Big Techs, and this is the weekly update. So starting off, we have the GASCAP and GASCAP compatible mod button light. So this is basically a replaceable cap for your Modlite flashlight or other Surefire or Scout pattern flashlight. And basically, it's a dual function tail cap, so you have the clicky button here on the back for constant on. Then it also integrates with a tape switch. This is USB-C, so your tape switch will plug in there, and you can see it on a gun here. There's a little shroud that goes over it and it screws down to kind of keep it in place. But your USB-C compatible switches will work with this. They make a bunch of different ones for the gas cap, and then this is the mod button light from Modlite, and it of course works with the gas cap. But they have a bunch of different lengths, bunch of different options there. Gas cap and GASCAP compatible mod button light. And speaking of Modlite, we have a restock on all the Modlite weapon mounted and handheld lights. So nothing new from them. This is just the regular Modlite that you know and love. We have a huge restock, every single color, variation, head type, body length, handheld, hogs, pistol lights, weapon mounted lights, everything. They're in stock now and ready to go. On the theme of lights, we have the new Kratos design group offset scout mounts. So these are made from 7075, and the cool thing is these have recesses here where the lugs from your light will go into. So this way they're more resistance to impact. So like if you're running through a doorway, banging on the door or something, you're not relying solely on the force of the screws to hold it in place. You actually have some lugs here that will protect it side to side and front to back. So it makes it a little bit more durable. And again, 7075, they're anodized. So these are type 3 class 2 hard coat anodized, and they're available in green, FD, and black. Carry lifetime warranty. They're good. There's one right here on the gun right here that you can see, keeps it nice tucked into the rail, and they're available now. Moving on, we also have the Paragon weapon light cleaner and optic lens cleaner. So these are a little solution that you can put on your lenses. They have one specifically for weapon mounted lights and like pistol lights and weapon mounted lights. Then they have another one for optic lenses. Basically what it does is it removes all the carbon, all the buildup, all that gunk that gets on the end of your lights, removes that off. Super easy, very, very easy to use. You put a little drop or two on there, let it sit, wipe it off. It looks brand new. I was very skeptical of this when it first came out. It seemed like another gimmicky product. I tried it out. It actually works really, really well. Like, I'm very surprised on how well it works. And then the optic lens cleaner does the same thing. It's just a little bit softer of a solution for your specialized optic lenses, because a lot of those have kind of coatings on them and stuff. So we have these individually and as a pack, as a combo pack. So they're available right now. Awesome product. Love those quite a bit. They're very, very cool. And then last but certainly not least, we have some Team Wendy helmets. We have the Epic Specialist and also the carbon fiber bump. So the carbon fiber bump, super, super lightweight. This Epic Specialist is the latest from Team Wendy. Love their helmets. You know, they have everything that you want. The suspension system in here is second to none. That's really where they shine. But a couple different options. We have different sizes, different colors, all that good stuff, and they're available now. I think that's about all I got for you. If you see anything awesome here that you have a question on, let us know. We will answer it. Share this with your friends, share it with your mom, share it with your sisters, your brothers, everybody, all that good stuff. And we really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.